Hello everyone, my name is Justin Nicole A. Asares from HEA6 and I'm gonna show you how to prepare a Korean tonkatsu sandwich. Let's go! So ayon, first of all, before we proceed to our laboratory, I'm gonna wash my hands muna. So first, I'm gonna rice. Look at that. So noisy. So this one next is a soap, antibacterial soap. First thing first, you're gonna wash your hands so to prevent the bacteria spread from the food and to avoid a cross contamination. So guys, maingay kasi birthday nung aso. R. So, tapos na. So, I'm already done with my mise en place. So, before I start my lab, I'm gonna wear some PPE. I have here some apron to protect my clothes. And also I have a hairnet to prevent my hair falling from the food. So ayan, and I'm gonna use some plastic gloves and let's start. So this is the egg. I will prepare it for a 12 minutes for it's gonna be hard boiled. So tapos ko na i-preheat yung pan and I already put oil na and I'm going to fry the tonkatsu. Let's go. So now I already put the tonkatsu here in the pan. I will fry it until golden brown. So ayon, I'm done preparing all the things I need. I already boiled the egg and I already fried the tonkatsu, and here's some my ingredients. So let's start. First thing first, titimplahan ko yung mayonnaise. Wait, I'm gonna use some I'm gonna use some plastic gloves since it's only plain mayonnaise. Hindi makita. Ayan, maglalagay ako sa kanya ng dalawang egg yolk para add flavor and mas masarap na rin. So I'm gonna separate this and yan, nalagay ko na yung isa. Ayan, nalagay ko na isa. Nalalagay pa ako ng isa. Wait lang guys. Nalagay ako ng isa. And ayan na, nalagay ko na yung dalawang egg yolk and I'm gonna mix it all up. And I'm gonna add some black pepper to taste. This is only a 1 teaspoon some thyme and some basil. Wait lang, tanin ko na lang. And some salt. And I'm gonna mix it up. So this is my mise en place. The ingredients I needed for Korean tonkatsu sandwich. This is a tonkatsu. I buy this already ready to cook. And some boiled egg, some Japanese mayo, and some garnish. The thyme, basil leaves, black pepper, and also salt. And here we have some veggies. What do you call this? A lettuce and some bread. Nahalo ko na lahat yan. Anin ko na lang siya. I-mix ko na lang siya lahat para okay na yung ating spread. I'm gonna mix it up together. So, nahalo ko na siya lahat. Titikman ko na lang kung okay ba siya. I have here some separate spoon. Okay na yung lasa niya, guys. Ang sarap. Since okay na lahat ng ingredients, pwede na ako mag-build ng isang sandwich. We all need, in one sandwich, we need some 3 pieces of bread. Ayan. So, lalagyan natin yan lahat ng spread. Mix it up. Tikman mo. Ayan, since nalagay ko na yung spread, I'm gonna add some lettuce. Ayan. Lettuce. I'm gonna add 1 tonkatsu here. And I'm gonna add 1 egg each. Ayan, nalagay ko na. And mag-add ako dito ng cheese. Pwede na ata to. Pwede na yan. And magtatap ako ng ganito. Ayan, nakagawa na ako ng isa. So here. Since nakagawa na ako ng isang sandwich, gagawa pa ako ng isa pa. Bali, ayan. Nalagay ako ng spread. Ayan. And ayan, bali nakakuha na ako ng 3 bread na may spread. Gonna add some veggies here. Ayan, may veggies na. Tapos maglalagay ako ng cheese. Ayan, nakapaglagay na ako ng cheese. And maglalagay ako ng isang tonkatsu. And since nalagay ko na lahat, lalagay ko na siya. Ay, no. May nakalimutan ako ng isang egg pala. Ayan, nalagay ko na. Ipapatong ko na yung tonkatsu and papatong ko na to. And ayan na, nakagawa na tayo ng 2 pieces of Korean tonkatsu sandwich. So since nakalimutan ko siyang i-play yung video, nabalot ko siya netong wax paper. I'm using this white wax paper. Nabili ko lang siya sa palengke. Ayan, nabalot ko na siya and ibabalot ko na lang yung isa and then ready to serve na siya. Since nabalot ko na siya, ayan, nabalot ko na siya sa wax paper. Sa slice ko na lang siya. And that's the final product. Ayan na ang ating Korean tonkatsu sandwich. So here's the final product. Look at that.